Guys, it's me, Worldline Pride, and today we are going to unbox this foam glider. It is very cool. It has paint and also a paintbrush and a paint palette and the foam glider. So for the paint, we get to paint this cool foam glider or jet, airplane, whatever you call it, private jet, whatever. So yeah. In the next video, I'll be also unboxing these two Sharpies. Yes. Oops. Yes. We are going to unbox these beauties. Anyways, let's get started. So first up, I'm going to get scissors. So cut this beauty. Okay. It's open. No, not yet. Oh, that was easy. Anyways, we're gonna go. Oh, look at these, bro. Found this. This is the glider. Okay, and then we get our paintbrush. Oops, can't see. Okay, this is a fine paintbrush. It's a paintbrush. And this is all the paints that comes with. It comes with black, yellow, green, red, orange, and blue. It's not that much though. And here's the color palette. I think this is the wing here, like this. I don't know. I'm gonna build it. So it says here in the package, looks like this right here. So I think I know how. So first of all, you're gonna put these. Oh no, it's blocking. Okay. We're gonna do this. Oh, this is so hard. Okay. There, I did it. Oh, that's good, dog. Nice. So we have this new jet here, but then we still have to add this thing. It's like this, right? I forgot. I'm gonna go check the packaging, see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so it just goes like in here, the bottom. Okay, oh, this is so hard. Okay. That's so hard. Okay. Almost done. Just gonna slide it, wiggle it around here and here. Okay. Then we just need to do this. Okay, now we're done. So, yeah. This is cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay. Anyways, just cut a little bit off the edge. There. Okay, and then we're gonna get our paintbrush here. We're gonna go open our paints. We are going to, what should we color first? Oh yeah, we should color, we should get black. How do you open this? Oh no, it dripped down my. Anyways, it dripped all over me. It's clean. Accidents. If you guys want to laugh, go laugh. This is terrible. Wow. Okay, here. So we're done. I'm just gonna pour it in the middle here. Just gonna pour it in here. Okay, I'm pouring it inside the middle. Here, pouring inside the middle. Okay. This is so scary. How do you do this? Okay. Okay. Technical issues. Okay, there, we're done. So we're done with the black now. I hate you, black. So we have it on our little palette here. Just go get our paintbrush. Well, wait a second. I'm gonna go get a tissue real quick. Okay, guys. So I'm back with my tissue here, y'all, and I'm gonna get some what's it called, paintbrush. I'm gonna just dip it in there. Then I'll go get my foam glider. Just gonna paint it here, dog. Just gonna go paint it right here. Okay. So we're almost done with this part, though. Oh my god. So we're almost done with this part, yo. We're gonna do the tips, I guess. There. Okay, I need some more black so I can cover. It's gray looking though. That's okay, I'll stick with gray. Gray's a good color anyway. Okay, we're almost done here. Lol. Oh my god. Okay, almost done. Okay, so we're done with the first part now. Second, we're gonna go add some more on the other side. Oh my god. Whoa. It dripped. Kinda dripped. Oh my god. Okay. We're done. So, I think that's all for the black. Oh, wait a second. Yes. I need to color this part so it's gonna look cool. This is looking pretty cool. Very, very cool. So, just gonna wait for this to dry. Anyway, so I think this is dried now, and we're gonna do this part. Okay. So I'm gonna go off. Okay, so we're done with this part, I think. We're just gonna do the other. This is so hard to paint. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna make this a Ukrainian plane. Okay, let's go dry this up. I'm gonna be back, y'all. Okay, so I'm wiping my paintbrush. Oh, what? Looks so beautiful. I have my paintbrush. Is it dry? No, it's not yet dry. Okay, I'm almost done. If the yellow spills, it's gonna take like an hour. Okay, so we got the yellow. Please don't spill, please don't spill, please don't spill, please don't spill. Please don't spill, please don't spill, please don't spill. Oh, yes. We got this color. We got yellow. Let's get to pour it. So we're just putting all the yellow here. And it's done. I'm so happy. Yeah. I was just thinking about which color goes first, the yellow or blue. The yellow goes first, but you have to put it at the bottom. So I did the yellow, and then time for the blue. For all your Ukrainian people out there, I support y'all. So yeah, I love Ukraine. It's a beautiful place. So look at our paintbrush, it looks so beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna go with our blue. I hope this does not spill. If it spills, I'm gonna destroy this. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be a waste of money. Holy moly. I'm just gonna pour this over here. Oh my god, it's dripping, it's dripping. So, okay. This is fun, actually. Okay, I think we're done with our blue. We're gonna go paint, dog. Okay, let's get our paintbrush. Okay, so we got our paintbrush. We washed it already. And then now we're gonna dip it in some blue. And then we're just gonna go paint like this. Okay. Okay, I did it. Ukraine. Okay. Now we're done with our blue. Just gonna paint it on our tissue. It's gonna be gone. Bro, this is so hard. Okay. Is it done now? No. Okay, last part. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It's amazing, right? Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Okay, why did I do that? That's it for today, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm just kidding. Don't hit the notification bell because if you try to, you can't. So just hit the subscribe button and the like button. It's gonna really help. Anyways, bye bye. See you on my next video where I unbox some Sharpies and test them out. Bye bye.